election from Dicholi constituency for Goa Bagayatdar Sahakari Kharidi Vikri Society, Ponda, Goa, for a period of 2019 to 2024 was held in the month of August 2019. Three posts were to be elected among the members from Taluka Dicholi, Bardesh, Tiswadi and Perne. Five nomination papers were submitted. They are one by me, Mohandas Sawaikar, another by Gautam Mone, and third by Devidas Zambre, fourth by Vinayak Samant, and fifth by Sharat Sawaikar. Out of five papers, my nomination paper was rejected, holding that my brother Ganpat Sawaikar is also doing the business of cashew processing, which is done by Goa Bagayatdar. It was also held that during the scrutiny I was not present, and accordingly my nomination paper was rejected. Against that, I preferred election dispute before the cooperative tribunal at Panji. Said dispute is allowed, and elections of Sri Devidas Zambre, Vinayak Samant and Shara Sawaikar are declared null and void. And further, the registrar is directed to hold election within 45 days from the date of the order. The said judgment and order is passed on 25th August 2023. In order to intimate the managing director and the chairman of Goa Bagayatdar Society at Ponda, I had given a notarized copy of the said judgment and order of the cooperative tribunal on 9th September 2023. I have got the acknowledgement due, having received the said copy by the society. My further contention that even though such an order is passed, Sri Devidas Zambre attended the meeting, general body meeting of Goa State Cooperative Marketing and Supply Federation on 9th September 2023 as a director of Goa Bagayatdar Sahakari Kharidi Vikri Society Limited. Again, during the general body meeting of the Goa Bagayatdar Sahakari Kharidi Vikri Society Limited, which was held on 10th of September 2020, that is on Sunday, all the three who were disqualified also sat on the dais as a director of Bagayatdar Society, thus committing contempt of the court.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.